unbox this NGUYEN coffee supply in an ASMR whispering style, and hopefully you guys would you enjoy this. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company or products. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. By the way, I can smell the coffee. It is so strong without opening it. And now when I open it, it smells even stronger. And it smells great. By the way, this is a factory seal. This is just an extra clip with the double-sided tape. But unfortunately, the tape kind of melted. So there are different flavors. This one is the Moxie, this one is the True Grit. And this one is the Saigon. And Talat. Hanoi and Loyalty right here. Medium roast, dark roast. It says, Jumanamai, Happy Lunar New Year 2025 with the snake, the year of the snake. And it says NGUYEN coffee supply. This one's grown in Vietnam, roasted in Brooklyn, NGUYEN coffee supply. This one is the 1 teaspoon NGUYEN coffee supply, 15 milliliter, and the other one is the same thing. But this one is with the clip. This one is the People's Grand NGUYEN coffee supply, Phin drip coffee. It says no paper filter, stainless steel, and bowl brew. And right here is how to use the Phin. Come with a nice dust bag. And this one is the glass server 500 milliliter. Paired with the 12-ounce Phin filter, high borosilicate glass, endurable up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, dishwasher safe. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.